Yes. Okay. So we have seen during winter season what all things we have to wear to keep ourselves warm. Okay, children. So as we have seen the cap that we use to keep us our head and ears warm. Okay. And I was showing you the socks. Okay. Even the socks will keep our legs warm. This is which material? Can you tell me which fiber we use? Woolen. Okay, so each and every thread it is being later on woven into a fabric. Okay, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just see, for according to the profession, the people wear the uniforms. Okay, so you can see that a soldier will wear the military dress. Can you see page number 33 here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, soldier, nurse, okay, policewoman, doctor, pilot, and a lawyer. Okay, all have been given a particular uniform so that the normal citizens, the normal people will understand their profession. Okay, yes. So fibers used for making clothes. Just see, in the last class we have seen that there are two types of fiber: natural fiber, and one more is
Synthetic fiber.
synthetic fiber. Very
Synthetic
good.
fiber.
Yes. Okay. So natural fiber is the one. 1 minute, children. Natural fiber is the one which is directly obtained from the plants. Yes, natural fibers are the one which we get directly from the plants. Okay, children. So can you see cotton plant first? Which fiber do we get? We get cotton.
Cotton fiber.
Yes. 1 minute. Yes. So what are the uses of cotton, children? Cotton, now to light a lamp in front of God. Okay, you might have seen a small thread. Okay, small cotton thread. It has been woven into a small long thread. Okay, and we will put it into the diva. Okay, and we use it for lighting a lamp in front of God. Okay, so just see. I'll show you. What is this, children?
Ma'am, cotton.
Cotton. Okay, it is, yes, it is again made into the thread. Okay, we use it in making the threads. Okay, and even while stitching we need cotton. Okay, and India is growing a large amount of cotton. Yes, children. Next one is regarding the jute. Okay, what is jute?
That is the hand in wood to make the plant.
Yes, so yeah, jute, just see, I have brought a small thread of jute. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay, so
ma'am.
nowadays you might have seen in the market. Okay, jute, it is used for making the tiffin bags. Okay, small tiffin bags. Okay, and even for the purse, hand purse. Yes, children, and also in making the sacks. Okay, sacks, it is used to store the grains. Okay, farmers will use the big sacks. Yes, the sacks have been used, and it is made with the help of jute. Okay, is it visible, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what will happen when they grow the plants? Okay, and each and every plant, it is been put a knot. Okay, they will make the bundles of the jute and they will tie it. Okay, all the stems they will gather and they will tie it. They will keep it in water flowing. Wherever the water is flowing, they will just keep it over. After some days, they will remove each and every fiber. Okay, so this is regarding jute. This is the jute thread. Okay, yes. Next one, it is regarding the flax plant. Flax plant, okay, I have shown you already regarding the flax seeds. Just see, Can you see this?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
See now.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So these are the flax. These are the flax seeds. Yeah, these are the flax seeds which are being sown into the soil. Okay, and the plant will give the flowers. Okay, the plants will be giving the flowers which are usually blue in color. Okay, blue color flowers will come. Okay, and later on what will happen, the flax seeds later on they will grow into a plant, and you will get the lignin fiber within the stem. Okay, each and every stem it is been converted into lignin fiber. Okay, you have to remember lignin is obtained from flax plant, and the seeds I have shown you which type of seeds are being sold. Okay, next one, it is regarding the wool. Wool, as I've shown you already. Okay, here wool it is obtained from sheep, goat, or even camel. Okay, the animal skin it has been used for making the woolen. Okay, children.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So yes, can you see the shirt? Yes, it is having a shiny appearance. Okay, so what can it be the material? Which fiber can you call it?
Silk.
Very good. It is silk.
Silk.
Silk. Okay, so silk is how it is a shiny appearance. Okay, so it is obtained from, yes, it is obtained from silkworm. Okay, from silkworm the cocoon uh, is been made ready, and from cocoon you will have a pupa. Okay, and they are been put up into the boiling water. Okay, the short information regarding silk, how it has been converted from silkworm. Okay, and the silkworm's saliva is used for making the silk. Okay, children. So regarding the synthetic fiber, yes, what are synthetic fiber, children? As we have seen, these are man-made. Okay, man-made fibers, and these are made from chemicals. Okay, these are made from chemicals, and no use. There is no any necessity. Yes, please mute, children.
Okay.
Yes. So yeah, someone is presenting the screen. Okay, so just see, for synthetic fiber there is no need of ironing the clothes. Okay, for cotton what will happen? You need to iron. Okay, now this is the material of cotton. Okay, if I just fold it, the material will not look good on you unless and until you iron. Okay, but in case of synthetic it is not so. Okay, even if it is folded it won't feel like it is completely folded. Okay, you need not to iron. No need of ironing for synthetic clothes. Okay, then there are the wrinkles formed on cotton cloths. The foldings whatever are there, those are called as wrinkles. Okay, and for that, to look good you always have to wear the neat and clean clothes, germ free clothes. Okay, always wear the washed clothes, and whenever you go outside and come, nowadays it is very necessary to put your clothes for washing. Okay, due to the coronavirus. Yes, it is very dangerous. Okay, children. Next, yeah, how will you take care of the clothes? Okay, when you are just washing, we will put it in sunlight. Okay, try to dry them in sunlight. If there is no sunlight, open and keep it on the for the air. Okay, even the air will dry the clothes. Okay, during this rainy season. Okay, children. Next, you have to protect them from insects. Okay, what things will you use to keep the clothes clean in cupboards? What all things do we use? We have discussed it. Yeah, neem leaves, the dried neem leaves, you can keep them. Okay, due to its strong fragrance, okay, due to its strong smell, the insects will not try to come there. Okay, moths, kida, okay, these will not enter into the cupboard and they will not spoil your clothes. Okay, and one more word. Yes, no, it's not audible, children. And one more is regarding the silver fish. Okay, it is not the fish which is entering into the cupboard. Please mute. Silverfish means it is an wingless insect. It is an insect which is not having any wings. Okay, and these will make holes into the clothes. Yes, so to protect the clothes from moths, we use mothballs, naphthalene balls. Okay, also you can use camphor. Okay, the things which are having very strong smell, those will protect your clothes from getting damaged. Okay, from the insects, from the moths. Is it clear, children? Mothballs, last time someone showed in the class, mothballs are like what? Naphthalene balls. Okay, and the silverfish, yes, silverfish is the one which is not having any wings. Okay, due to its appearance, it is like a fish-like structure, so it is called as silverfish. The color is grayish, so it is called silverfish. Okay, and one more material I would like to show you for khadi. Okay, which is the material which will keep you cool in summer and warm in winter? No, you wear jute. Yes. See, no, the thing which will keep you cool in summer and warm in winter. No. Khadi. Yes, someone told me the answer. It is khadi. Someone told khadi. Yes, so you can see page number 35, info bit. Just see page number 35. We have discussed regarding this in the last class. Info bit. This one. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, it is important, children. Okay, you have to remember this. The thing, the fiber which will keep you cool in summer and warm in winter. Okay, it is acting as a both. So, I have shown you the material. Yes, so this is khadi. Can you see? Yes? Yes, so this is regarding khadi. Okay, children. So, notes I will be sending